In Syracuse, former Assistant Attorney General Juanita Williams has a warning about the debt settlement companies who practice paying themselves first.
So if you will pay a certain fee, they will negotiate with your lending institutions to bring down either the interest you owe or the actual payment. The unfortunate thing is that the fine print tells the consumer who doesn't read the fine print that they'll often pay several thousands of dollars before they even get to a place where the debt settlement company will negotiate with any of the lending institutions, even before they'll make a call. And so, unfortunately, the consumer who will call us will say, geez, I've provided them, with such and such amount of money, and none of this has gone towards negotiating my credit cards at all. Can they do this? Yes, they can, if you've consented and agreed to having them take a fee up front.
According to Williams, many of these companies are gambling on the fact that the consumer will run out of money and drop out of the program.